Second quarter tayo. Let's go. Uy, basket para kay Ortiz. Uy, spin. Ortiz, wala. Rebound. Oopsie. That's a traveling violation. Bola na ang Pedro Cruz. Steal by number 18. Number 4, wala. Offensive rebound. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by number 4. Jump shot, no good. Good, good, basket. 18-15 in favor pa rin sa pinaglabanan. Ortiz, top of the key for 3. Wala. And save ba? Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. Number 18. Uy, binigay. Domera and score by Santos. Number 18, outlet pass. Number 2, with their height advantage. At nakakasagot ang Pedro Cruz. (2017) Ortiz. Pass to Flores. Spin move. Wala. And score by Ortiz. Steal by Ortiz. Nagay. What a pass. Santos. Basket. Outlet pass. Makuha ni number 2. Number 2. Uy. Pinagpag ang depensa ni Ortiz. Bola rito ng San Juan ang pinaglabanan. Santos enters a foul. No good. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Short para kay Santos. Caleb, outlet pass. Ayan na si Rama all the way, too strong. Rama will recover, wala pa rin. Isa pa and score para kay Rama. 24-19. Ortiz steal. Ayan na, nagmamadali, dire-diretso, no good. And basket para kay Dayday. Ayan na, umahabol na ang Pedro Cruz. 3-point lead. Ortiz, may tanga ng bola. Ortiz, pass to number 16 for 3. Agukay. May tanga ng bola. Pinasa kay Caleb. Caleb. Oh, offensive foul. Kay Caleb. Wala sportsmanship there para kay Caleb. Saying sorry for them. Uy, nakalusot. Agukay. Pass to Manalo. Jump shot. Oh! There's a foul. Number 1, that is Rama. Warning, coach of the Pedro Cruz for a second motion. No good. Second shot para kay Riley. Wala. And that's a traveling. Agukay. Pass to Manalo. Backdoor pass. That's a traveling violation again para sa Pinag. Steal by Manalo. Steal by Dayaday. Oh, steal ng Pedro Cruz. Caleb for a pass to Rama. Assist by Caleb or Caleb. Sigad. Last 2 minutes tayo. Let's go. Pass to Agukay. Agukay. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni number 4. Pass to Caleb. And there's a foul. Good. Second shot para kay Caleb. Wala. Rebound again. Oh, nabitawan. Recover Pinag. Agukay. And the shot. No good. Natawag ang ating referee doon. Caleb fighting open man. Looking for his teammate. Pass to De La Cruz. Pinagay, Rama. Basket. Change favor. Lamang na ang Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Oy. Offensive foul. Time remaining, last 53 seconds. Pastorama! Grabe. Ayan na. Agukay! Offensive foul! By jersey number 00, Agukay. Kaya si Rama ngayon, kailangan bang ipahinga? Hindi daw ata niya kaya. Oh, hindi, kaya pa daw niya, kaya pa. Kayang-kaya ni Rama yan. Time remaining, last 24 seconds. 24.5 seconds para sa ating first half. Oy, bad pass. Makakuha ni Agukay. Manalo, jump shot, too strong. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, Rama, and score! Okay, end of the first half, official score 29-24 in favor of Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Tingnan natin at the half, makakahabol kaya rito ang pinaglabanan. Tayo magbabalik maya-maya lamang po. Shoutout kay Coach Don Don Perito.
Wala!
Okay, back to the ball game. Official score is 29-24. Third quarter tayo. Let's go. Oy! Out of bounds. Okay, bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. Side step, no good, rebound. And score! Ay, wait lang. Ay, wait. 31. No good, out of bounds. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, wala. Rama, no good. Naka-recover si Lim. Outlet pass nung mahabol si Santos. Yun lang, stepping on the line. Time out. Pinaglabanan. Time remaining, last 8 minutes sa ating third quarter. Shoutout kay Idol Robina Mendoza. Shoutout din kay Sherbin Orquico, kay Kaiden Antonio, Ryan Simon, and kay Sanchez Javier. Ayan, pa-shoutout sa inyo lahat. Okay, 31-24. Lamang pa rin dito ang Pedro Cruz. Naghahabol sila for the fourth spot. Ayan na. Caleb, too strong. Rebound. Rama. With a putback. Humingi pang foul doon si Rama. Ortiz. May tanga na bola. Ortiz from elbow 3. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Caleb. Outlet pass. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng pinaglabanan. Agukay. May tanga na bola. Binigay. Pass to Ortiz. Ortiz. Uy, walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Oh, steal! And he gets a foul by Rama. Bola rito ng pinaglabanan. Ortiz. Pass to Agukay. Agukay. Pass to Ortiz. Ortiz. Umatake. And out of bounds. Same ball. Lim. Oy, pass Ortiz. And another foul para kay Rama. Ilan na si Rama? Tatlo na ata. If I'm not mistaken. On the free throw area, jersey number 18, Ortiz. First shot is good. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Second shot para kay Ortiz. Ortiz, bang! 26-33 ang ating talan. Bola ng Pedro Cruz. Another steal by Lim. Wala. Oh, and another foul. Para sa Pedro Cruz. On the free throw area, jersey number 6, Lim. Wala. Second shot. 6 ball, number 8. Parang 8 ata. Sorry, correction. That's number 8. Timeout. Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Tignan natin ang huddle ni Coach Sir Gideon Bautista para sa Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Basketball game. Bola na ito ng Pedro Cruz. De La Cruz. What an extra pass. Rama again and one. Basket is good para kay Rama. Parang Nikola Jokic lang.
Ha? Champion sa body
Kaya nga pala, no? MVP pala ito, si Rama. Wala. Rebound by Lim. De La Cruz. And score. 36-37 or 26-37. Ortiz, crossover. Ayan na si Ortiz. Ortiz, pinasa. Fake. Flores, tumira. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. De La Cruz, may tanga ng bola. De La Cruz, up and under, and there's a foul. The shots para kay jersey number 13, De La Cruz. So good. Second shot para kay De La Cruz, basket. (38-26). Lamang pa rin dito ang Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Ayan na si Lim. Lim. Pass to number 8. No good. Rebound by Rama. Outlet pass. Ayan na. Number 18. Dire-derecho. Oh! And he gets a foul. Number 18, shooting in the line for a free throw. Bah! Jump shot eh. Isa pa. Saka na naman. Hey! Let's go! 2 for 2 para kay jersey number 18. Ayan na, bola rito ng pinaglabanan. Lim, may tanga ng bola. Lim, didiskarte, setting on the screen. Lim, step back three, no good. Rebound by Santos. Too strong, rebound by Lim. Pass to Santos. Santos, wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Still, makakuha ni Lim. Lim, fake. Make a shot, no good. Rebound by Rama. Rama, outlet pass to number 18. 18 ang didiskarte. Still by Lim. Lim, ayun na. Oy, pinasa. Oy, turnaround shot by Flores. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz naman. Dire-derecho. Warex pass to Caleb. Porquigo. 42-26. Lamang pa rin ang Pedro Cruz. Lim. May tanga ng bola. Tim. Floater. No good. Rebound by Caleb. Pass to De La Cruz. And gets a foul. Foul number 8. That's Lim. Time remaining 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. De La Cruz. May tanga ng bola. Side step. Using the board. No good. Makuha ni Rama. Rama. Binomba. And a score. Ooh. Ulala. Nagainitan na ang parehong big man na magkabilang panig. Hindi naman nata daw sadya. Basket count and 1 para kay Rama. 44-26. Bonus shot for a 3-point play. Rep. Anong tawag doon? Warning lang? Thank you. Ay na si Ortiz. Running shot. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Outlet pass. Steal by Lim. Ay na si Lim. Derecho. Bumali. At pasok yan para kay Lim. 28. Another steal. Ortiz. Basket is good. Ay na. Umahabol na ng paunti ang Pinag. Rama. 2 against 1. Up and under. No good. Santos. Matanga na bola. Pass to Galima. To Lim. Nagmamadali. Lim behind the back. Para extra pass to Ortiz. And score. Time out. Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Remaining time, 57 seconds sa ating third quarter. Fisher score, 45-32. Alright, back to the ball game. Unting marami. Umahabol na po ang pinaglabanan sa tagpuan ito. Tingnan natin ang huddle. Kung alam ko anong sinabi ni Coach Gideon para sa Pedro Cruz. Ayan na. Binigay. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz with a double team. Naitawid. Binigay kay Caleb. Caleb drop pass. And that's a foul. Penalty. Pinaglabanan under penalty situation. 2 shots para kay Caleb or Kigo. Ortiz, binigay. Santos, back to Ortiz, for 3, in and out. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Oh, steal. Oh, there's a foul. Pinasa loob, Ortiz, nakalusot si Ortiz. 34-46. Last 16 seconds. Oh, steal. Last. Hindi kita makita. Narangan ni Idol. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Gets the shot and score by De La Cruz. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of our third quarter. Fisher score 48-34 in favor of Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Alright, dito na tayo sa pinag-exciting part ng laro, ang fourth and last quarter. Makakabol kaya rito ang pinaglabanan ng Elementary School or tuloy-tuloy ang kamada at ratsyada ng Pedro Cruz. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang po. And shout out kala Coach Daryl Galimba. Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter tayo. Let's go. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Ayan na. Pinigay. Uy. And there's a foul. Time remaining 9 minutes and 53 seconds. Technical ata. Plus ball possession, Ortiz for a bonus shot. Ortiz. Second shot para kay Ortiz. Bola rito ng pinaglabanan. Make a shot. No good. Rebound. Naka-recover. Ortiz. No good. Rebound again by Santos, and there's a foul. Nasa corner, jump shot, too strong, rebound, and he gets a putback para kay Agukay. Oh, steal! Makuha. Binigay. Number 18. No good. Rebound by Rama. No good. Out of bounds. Lim. Agukay and gets a foul. It's a blocking foul para sa Pedro Cruz. Bola rito ng Pinag. Agukay, may tangan na bola. Nasa corner, Santos to Ortiz. Ortiz with the cross. Ortiz. And there's a foul again. Who's foul rep? Oy! Na-steal ni Rama. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to number 18. No good. De La Cruz with a putback. 37 to 50. Lamang pa rin ang Pedro Cruz. Ay na si Ortiz. Pinagay. Steal by number 18. Pass to Rama. Rama. Outlet pass. Makuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Oy! Another blocking foul para kay Ortiz. Time remaining 6 minutes and 16 seconds. Oh! Nakalusot Pedro Cruz noon. Ay na si Lim, may taka na bola. Uy, the blocking foul. Number 32. That is Caleb or Kiko. Shooting in the line, jersey number 8, Lim. First shot, no good. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Second shot para kay Lim. Lim, wala. Rebound by Caleb. Caleb. Oy, still. Ayan na. Agukay, akin na to! Ayan na, ang Pedro Cruz nagmamadali, binigay. Caleb, side step, binigay. Jump shot, in and out, rebound. Ortiz, crossover. Ayan na si Ortiz. Tatlo na nagbabantay, nakalusot si Ortiz. Ortiz, binigay. Steal. Oy! And that's a jump ball. Bola mapubanda sa Pinag. Santos, pass to Lim. Pass to Agukay. To Ortiz. Ortiz, top of the key for 3. Short. Rebound by number 4. Pass to Caleb. Caleb and a blocking foul again para kay Ortiz. $39.52 naman pa rin po dito ang Pedro Cruz. Rama for 3, short.
Joya, isa pa Joya.
Number 8. Coincidence. Okay si Idol. Mali yung talon niya. What a nice fake there para kay number 18. Pero parang nasa hood. Hindi sadya po yun. Nasa coincidence na nangyari. And si number 18 to get sorry for sportsmanship for Ortiz. Alright, back to the ball game. Get well sa Idol. Ay, nasa loob. Rama! Oops, it. That's a blocking foul. 39-54 pa rin ang ating talaan. 2 shots para kay Agukay. Double zero. Basket para kay Agukay. wala. Rebound by Rama. Steal by Agukay. Agukay, no good. Rebound again by Agukay. Setting on the play. Pass to Lim. Binomba, wala. Rebound, makukuha ng Pedro Cruz. Pass to Caleb. Caleb. Outlet pass. Makukuha number 18. Number 18. Oy. That's a traveling. Bola rito ng pinaglalabanan. Santos. 14 lamang po ang hinahabol ng pinaglabanan dito. Agukay for 3. Oh! 3-point para kay Kiel. Agukay. Ay na, De La Cruz. Uy! Para behind the back, pero naka-recover. Steal ng Pinag. Oh! Makakuha ni Agukay. 2 against 2. Agukay! Wala! Rebound by Rama. Rama with the ball. Nag-aalap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay number 4. And that's a traveling violation. Baba na lamang sa 11 ang hinahabol ng pinaglabanan elementary school. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Santos may tanga ng bola. Pass to Agukay. Binigay sa corner. Flores. Flores back to Santos. Agukay with the ball. Agukay with the cross. Side step. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Agukay. Walang tawag. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Bowler pa rin dito ng Aina Santos. Baba na lamang sa single digit ang kalamangan ng Pedro Cruz. Ayan na. Akin na to. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Agukay. Pass to Lim. Lim nagmamadali. Lim. Cross. Lim. Ayan na. Double team. Steal by number 18. Binigay. Steal, makuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz, pass to number 18. Steal by Agukay. Agukay nagmamadali. Layup. Ayan na. Humahabol na po ang pinaglabanan. 54-47. Pinasa sa corner. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni De La Cruz. Pass to Santos. Santos. Oh, steal by Caleb. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz nakalusot. De La Cruz. Top of the key. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Agukay. Agukay. Binigay. Steal by Caleb. Caleb. Pass to. Uy. Oh. Official timeout para kay Rama. Time remaining 1 minute and 11 seconds. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Dustan Lert Santos. Let's go, Pedro Cruz. Sabi ni Dustan Lert Santos. And shoutout din kay Ryan Simon. Kay John Aaron. Puwiko. Kay Gila and Canarial. Let's go, Kurt, sabi niya. And syempre, nandiyan din si Riley Brent, Daraog Kakoska. Galing ng pinaglabanan. Let's go. Okay, back to the ball game. With the time remaining 1 minute and 11 seconds. ball game. De La Cruz, pass to Caleb. Caleb. Pinagay. Yes, score! 56-47. Balik sa Siam ang Kalamangan. Ortiz for 3. Short. Rebound by Santos. Tumira sa 3. Yeah! 3-point para kay Agugay. Ayan na. Fouled by 6. De La Cruz. Nagmamadali. De La Cruz. Jump shot. Wala. Number 2. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Lim. Out and pass. Ayan na. Si Ortiz. Akin na to. Hey, shout out! Glide! Easy sa Glide. Pinaglabanan. Down by 2. Last 28 seconds. 28 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. 56-52. Tingnan natin. Ayan na. Sino tatanggap? Oy! Ayan na. Caleb, pass to Rama. Rama. It's a double dribble. Remaining time. Last 20 seconds. 22.2 seconds remaining. Agugay to Santos. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz nagmamadali. De La Cruz sa atake. Pass number 4. Let's go! Ayan na. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Oh! Block the game! Yes, yes! What a nice game from both teams. Our final score, 58-52. Panalo po ang Pedro Cruz. Wow! Grabe! Shoutout muna tayo, Rep! Shoutout! Rep! Shoutout! Hello po, shoutout! Congrats! Ayan, oh! Manila Gold! Ayan, oh! Thank you po, thank you! Sa ating masusugid na referee. Okay, congratulations! Pedro Cruz Elementary School! Ayan, antayin na lang po natin ang announcement ng ating admin kung ano ang ating susunod na mangyayari. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating elimination round. Pantay na lamang po ng ating announcement galing sa itaas. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Panalo po ang Pedro Cruz against the Pinaglabanan Elementary School. We are taking a look at our standing. Ayan. Maraming pong salamat. And shoutout kay Mami. Mami, hello. Hey, shoutout. Hey, shoutout. Hello, Rama. Hey. Oh, congrats. Oy, ba't wala pala si Nicole? Hey.
Mama, Papa, I love you! I'm crazy! Pedro Cruz sa malakas!
Thank you, congrats! Picture. Maraming po salamat sa inyong panonood.